Welcome to the News Hub's EV News Briefings. You must be aware that Tesla is constructing a lithium refinery to increase electric vehicle production. Let's investigate this in greater depth. Let's move forward. In order to generate enough battery-grade lithium by 2025, Elon Musk's Tesla has started building a lithium refinery in Texas. With this decision, Tesla will focus more on processing and refining lithium, which Musk sees as a significant barrier to EV manufacturing and sales. For years, Musk has urged business people to invest in the lithium market, describing it as printing money and crucial to his vision of sustainable transportation. He did what he was told. According to Musk, the supply of lithium for battery use may impede the advancement of electric vehicles. Tesla will become a market leader in lithium refining and vehicle production because to the new Texas refinery's large lithium production. The innovative idea from Tesla enhances the EV industry and encourages sustainable energy mobility. Tesla will complete the factory next year and be fully operational by 2025, according to Musk. Lithium is a Chinese monopoly, and Tesla will be the only significant North American automaker to process it. Greg Abbott, the governor of Texas, emphasized the importance of independence from hostile countries and self-reliance for lithium during the historic event. To diversify and ensure its supply, Tesla will refine its own lithium while also purchasing it from current vendors. Instead of sulfuric acid and other harsh chemicals, Tesla refines lithium using environmentally benign ingredients. With the use of safer reagents and usable byproducts, the new refining technology is both safer and cleaner. Musk claimed that residing near the refinery would be fantastic despite environmental concerns. With Tesla's lithium production, the industry becomes more self-sufficient and environmentally friendly, which relieves the lithium bottleneck and allows for increased EV production. The historic trip to China by Elon Musk may herald better times for Tesla Incorporated. The company may be better positioned for success in the largest market for electric vehicles in the world by interacting with significant officials and ministries. Discussions with the Commerce and Industry Ministries marked the beginning of Elon Musk's trip to China. His discussions with representatives of these important government organizations that oversee the auto sector demonstrate Tesla's expanding ties to China. A better working relationship with these important regulatory organizations may be advantageous for Tesla's ambitious growth goals in China. The Shanghai Gigafactory, a crucial part of Tesla's global manufacturing network, is having problems increasing production, so this visit is essential. Chinese manufacturers of electric vehicles are becoming more competitive. Over half of Tesla's global output, approximately 700,000 Model Y and Model 3 vehicles, were built at the factory in 2017. As a result of Musk's contacts with Chinese authorities, Tesla's position as the leading worldwide EV manufacturer may improve. Investors concentrated on Tesla's FSD Beta software's full self-driving features, which are available in the US and Canada during Musk's visit. If Chinese authorities allow these features, Tesla might gain. It might increase Tesla sales among affluent Chinese tech buyers. One further significant aspect of Musk's visit is highlighted by his meeting with Zhang Yuqun, chairman of CATL. This vital partnership could be strengthened to enhance Tesla's supply chain and productivity. Tesla's ties to China are strengthened by Musk's visit. By understanding and interacting with the market dynamics in China, he is committed to establish Tesla's presence there. In order to guarantee Tesla's success in China, Musk is establishing these vital ties. Elon Musk's trip to China on behalf of Tesla will be historic. By cultivating relationships with Chinese regulators and business partners, he is preparing Tesla for China's expanding EV market. Tesla has a solid supply chain, a cordial relationship with the government, and the chance to offer consumers cutting-edge technologies. A significant development for ride-sharing was the launch of a range-based trip planner by Tesla and Uber. Tesla owners may use the Uber app to link their vehicles and plan trips based on their battery charge. For both drivers and passengers, ride-sharing will be altered by this invention. Tesla owners can accept Uber rides based on the charge of their vehicle thanks to this range-based planner, which was found by Tesla enthusiast and former Uber driver Sofian. Users can choose to enable the feature, which allocates rides that can be easily finished with the available battery level, while still leaving a little buffer to get to a supercharger. Although this feature is a crucial first step in the integration of electric vehicles into ride-sharing, data and privacy concerns have emerged. Drivers must grant Uber access to their Tesla API data in order to use the new service. Although it may make some people uneasy, this invention assists Tesla drivers who are unsure of their range or experience range anxiety. EV drivers with Uber and Lyft confront difficulties. Drivers of rideshare services must balance passenger pickups with car charging. In order to lessen stress, our new range-based planner intelligently assigns trips based on battery life. Users in locations with insufficient fast-charging infrastructure may benefit from this functionality. This range-based ride-sharing scheduling will be advantageous for Tesla drivers. Only rides that drivers can complete with their current charge will be available. By doing this, Uber fines for refusing rides because of a low battery are avoided. Worries about ride-sharing and driverless vehicles in the future are sparked by this. The new Ford Autonomous Division competes and innovates alongside Tesla, Uber, Lyft, Waymo, and Cruise. As electric and driverless vehicles become more and more common, these cutting-edge technologies and partnerships will influence the future of transportation. It's imperative that Tesla and Uber work together to bring electric cars into the mainstream. Tesla and Uber are at the forefront of the transition to green transportation as ride-sharing services change. We conclude our discussion here for the time being. Thank you for your time. Until the next video, take care.